Hello everyone, welcome back to Airlines Quest. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Sustainable Aviation Fuel, or SAF, and its critical role in the aviation industry's journey towards sustainability. Picture this, an aviation industry that's not just about flying but also about reducing its carbon footprint. That's where Sustainable Aviation Fuel comes in. SAF is a special type of jet fuel made from renewable sources, such as agricultural residues, waste oils, and biomass. The magic lies in SAF's ability to meet the same high standards as traditional jet fuel, but with a far smaller environmental impact. But how is this eco-friendly aviation elixir brewed? Well, it starts with collecting feedstocks like used cooking oil, algae, and plant waste. These are then processed to create a drop-in fuel that can be used in existing aircraft engines without any modifications. The two primary methods of SAF production are the Fischer-Tropsch process and hydroprocessing, each offering varying carbon reduction profiles. The resulting SAF can have different carbon reduction profiles depending on the feedstock and production method used, with some SAFs achieving substantial emissions reductions. So, how is SAF being adapted in the real world? Manufacturers and airlines are taking big strides towards incorporating SAF into their operations. For instance, an Airbus A321XLR recently made history by flying on 100% sustainable aviation fuel as part of the Vulcan project. Boeing, NASA, and United Airlines have also joined the movement, conducting SAF tests using a Boeing 737. These are game-changing steps towards a greener future in aviation. But there are challenges. The biggest hurdle is the supply. The current SAF production levels can't meet the growing demand, resulting in SAF costing up to 4 times more than traditional fuels. An increased cost to an airline typically means an increased cost to the customer. Solving this supply-demand gap is crucial for the aviation industry to reach its net zero emissions goal by 2050. Additionally, not all SAF feedstocks are equal in terms of environmental impact, making sustainable feedstock choices paramount. The increased use of biofuels may reduce emissions at the aircraft exhaust, but the agricultural expansion, which will be needed globally, will likely intensify the CO2 concentration in the atmosphere and lead to the potential removal of rainforests. The aviation industry's path to sustainability isn't without its challenges, but it's vital to recognize the significant efforts made so far. Aviation contributes approximately 2% of global CO2 emissions, with a mere 5% stemming from long-haul flights where alternative travel options are limited. In the race to a greener future, sustainable aviation fuel stands as a vital tool, but it's not the only one. Hydrogen, electric power sources, and carbon capture are also on the horizon. Our dynamic aviation industry is filled with innovative minds determined to reduce our carbon footprint and embrace a more sustainable tomorrow. So, in the grand scheme of things, SAF is aviation's climate superhero, and advancements in production will only make it better for the world. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more aviation adventures. Until next time, keep flying high and keep it green.